welcome to the channel. You can see got the Scirocco back. It arrived this week. You might see some shorts on the YouTube and a few pictures of it. It's been for a drive. The drive's absolutely amazing. I'm going to shoot a video this weekend if the weather holds, going through the mechanicals and the bodywork that was done. But for today, I need to fit some bits to it. So when it went away, I partially stripped it. Most of it's gone back in to get this MOT, but the fun stuff needs to go on it. So things like the rear louver and the stereo needs fitting. So that's what we're doing today. So this might be a video on its own, but it might link into the hello Finn. Hello Finn. It might link into the longer video going through it all, but we'll see how the weather holds out this weekend. So let's get some parts out and start fitting stuff. Cheers. Okay, so I've got all the bits that need to go in. So we'll go through what I've got in here. So we've got my box of crap straight away. It's just flattening out the carpet for the boot, subwoofer, 2 side speakers, partial shelf with the 6B9s on it, side panels for the boot, mats for the front, rear panels for the boot itself, the spare wheel, rear strut brace, and the louver. And hopefully most of that is going to go in here once I've given this a bit of a clean. Okay, after some finagling, you'll have seen the subwoofer going in, the parcel shelf going in the back. Head unit's gone in. It is a cassette Alpine unit running with a 6-disc multi-changer. I've got a short somewhere, and sometimes the amp doesn't click on, and everything's on switch live, which is okay. It's okay for me because I can unplug everything. But just to show it works, power on. I can't play too much of this. You'll hear the disc changer going. You might hear the pop. And that's about all I can play, but I might do there'll be some updates to the stereo at the moment. This is what was in it originally. There will be a graphic equalizer going in here to split the sound a bit more, and a new subwoofer going in the boot at some point on a full boot build. Well, yeah, I do have
I'm going to take these out with me as well. So I've got cassette and CDs. Oh, come here. So that's in. So let's get the louvre on.
All the bits bolted back on. Put the button trims in the lights as well. It's had a bucket of water thrown over it. It needs a real big deep clean both internally and externally, just to clean off all the crap, to get the dust inside it. And getting onto the back. Oh yeah, louvre's fitted. Really happy with that. But I think that'll do for today. So really happy with the way it's turned out. All the bits in the stereo works. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video of getting it all bolted back together. Next video, probably in a week's time, working it out tomorrow, with a full walk around, going through everything that's been done to it, all the mechanicals, which needed quite a lot, all the bodywork that's been done to it, the body kit being fitted, things like that. And we'll go somewhere off the driveway, so it's a bit more fun. So, hope you liked to see me bolting this back together again. That stereo sounds amazing, really, really pleased with it. Thanks for watching. Cheers.